actually Whitney Houston was in the other studio, but I didn't say her name. But anyway, it was all in fun, and Celine ended up hitting the note, and now we have you still. You ready?
Wow, grabe. Ang song na to, history ng song na to, Whitney Houston and Celine Dion actually vying to sing this song, and now it's Stell's time. Female key, oh my gosh, dude. Take your time. He's looking neat with his outfit. Nice. So itong video na to, full reaction to kasi yung isang video na nireact ko, kalahati lang or konti lang yun. Wow. Range. Vibrato. Oh my gosh, are you hearing this? Ang taas talaga ng range niya. He keeps on hitting the C5 note, 5th octave. Napakataas dun sa lalaki, pero sa kanya wala lang. Normal day. Kinakabahan siya, no? Pero, or baka acting niya lang to, pero talagang yung boses niya hindi latang kinakabahan. That part, medyo namao siya kasi siguro tired na siya. Kasi nag-opening din siya eh, sabi nila. But this part though. E5, sustained with power. With detail. Usually pag pagod na, wala ng detalye guys. Pero si Stell, andun lahat ng detalye. He was hitting the right notes. Great job. Oh my gosh. Sustained. G5, highest note in this version, and it went back to E5 at the end. Very humble person, but the talent is like oozing. Talagang nangingibabaw. Talentong Pilipino. Napabilib si David Foster. Yung mga tao nagwawala. Ikaw ba naman iyakat mo sa G5? He wants him to come back. Look. Pero nakali sa si Stell eh. He is our very own from the Philippines. Let's go, Philippines! Stel, walang kapantay. Grabe, sobrang galing mo dito. I'm always proud to be your fan, and I'm always proud to be a Stelberry, and I'm proud of being a fan of SB19 as well. So great job, everybody. Thank you so much for tagging me, and great job talaga kay Stel dito. Sobrang galing.